5 minutes before market close, two numbers have a look at, and you will come to know the stbt method which you about to learn today. Nifty gap up or gap down for tomorrow, hedged option setup. Let's discuss about this. No gas, no fluff. Let's go to the chart. So here we are on Nifty chart right now. You can see a split screen. On one side, you see the normal candlesticks. On the other side, you see Heikin Ashi Nifty candlesticks. It's daily chart. Now, I want you to focus over here and learn this sell today, buy tomorrow setup. We try to use it 5 minutes before the day closing. I hope this is clear. If you want to take the screenshot, I've mentioned here 2 points. Number one, this is a Heikin Ashi. This one, obviously, where I wrote this chart. It's written, if Heikin Ashi close is more than the normal close, likely gap down next day. Heikin Ashi candles are different than the normal candles. You can Google about it. It's very easy to learn. If Heikin Ashi is bigger, if the closing is larger, and the normal candlestick's closing it's lesser than that, then most likely it's gonna gap down next day. And the opposite is also true. If the normal close is more than the Heikin Ashi, that means likely gap up next day. So far simple. I'm gonna add more elements to this. I'm going to tell you how much difference exactly where I actually consider it. You're gonna learn it. Number two, which option strategy. Number three, which strike selection and when do we do it and when do I do not do this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as of now, consider subscribing immediately. Let's go one by one. Let's see. As you can see, this is the normal chart where you see my picture. This is the normal chart. Nifty has been doing gap ups and gap downs. Everybody wants to know. Let's focus here one by one and understand it. So first we're gonna cover the bearish pattern and I'm gonna make it super clear for you, and then option strategies. Now here what you see, 5th of June and the next trading day, 8th of June, there was a massive gap down. Let's see if we follow the rules. How does it work? Now here what you can see is that on 5th of June exactly here, the normal candlestick show the closing of 23,366, wherein the Heikin Ashi on the other chart it shows the closing of 23,411. So as you can see, Heikin Ashi closing was higher than the normal closing. The difference is quite significant, as you can see right now. Around 50 points of a difference. It's not small. Now have a look at the rule. What is the rule? If Heikin Ashi close is more than the normal close, strong possibility of a gap down the next day. Let's see what happened over here. Is the next day market gap down at 23080 from 23,366. What a massive gap down this one is. So far interesting, right? You could see it very clearly. Let's go ahead. Let's see some more big gaps. Now here we go. Let's just go slowly and let's just see what's happening here. Now this is 11th of May. So far it is interesting, yes. And here what do you see? If I just simply see one day prior, this one. Now this day, 8th of May, the closing, the normal closing, 24176. The Heikin Ashi closing, as you can see here, let me just load it properly, 24176. The Heikin Ashi was 24197. Heikin Ashi closing was more, right? And what do you see next day is Nifty really gapped down, right? This is so far it's very interesting. And next day what do we see is that in the normal candlesticks you see that there was a big gap down on Nifty. Now this is the basic. I have the complete setup around it, which includes the option strategy, strike selection, which option strategy to do when, under which condition, the exact adjustment rules. If you want to learn this, the link is in the first pinned comment. It takes about 10 seconds to fill the form and get to know the details. Now let's see some more examples. Now let's see what happened. Now here what you see, again a big gap down here, right? What you can see here, huge and big gap down. Let's see the day prior what was happening here. If I just move it here, yes. Now the normal candlestick where you see my video running, this one, it's 24378, right? Heikin Ashi was 24429, right? So you see a big difference. Big difference means more conviction, and the next day market really gapped down, approximately 200 points of gap down on Nifty. Interesting. Now, so far you've learned about the bearish. How about the bullish? What are the some areas where you should be really cautious about? Now let's discuss that as well. There are more bearish example as well. Let's talk about some bullish example, right? Let's just talk about something really bullish. Now here I want you to focus here. Now what you see over here on this particular day, let's just talk about this exact day, just 5 minutes, 10 minutes before the closing. Here, the normal closing was 23,161. Heikin Ashi, 23,166. So in technical terms, the difference was not huge. We want a big difference for our conviction. Let's talk about this particular day, 12th of June, at the market close, normal candlestick, 23,622. And here what you see, the Heikin Ashi was 23,598. So you see, there is a difference. As you can see, the Heikin Ashi was much lesser. The normal candlestick was much bigger, as you can see here, right? So what happened? Now this is what the Heikin Ashi is telling us here. Normal candlestick, point number 2, is much bigger than Heikin Ashi. And what do you see? The very next day, Nifty really gave a pretty huge gap up of how much? Approximately 351 points. Surprised everybody in the market. Huge gap up. Now, I must tell you this. We don't have to just only look at the difference between Heikin Ashi. It gives you some kind of a bias where market is likely to gap up tomorrow or gap down. Option strategy has a separate base and a way of trading with this. I do not want you to just consider this and just start trading blindly. That will be not a very intelligent thing to do. The intelligent thing to do is build your strategy around it. Build a hedge strategy around it. That is how one should approach this material which you see, which you are learning right now. The full structure requires rules, adjustments, strategies. The link is in the first pinned comment. Now let's go ahead and let's learn some more about this. Now let's go back. Let's see some gap ups. So here we are, and let's see what exactly is happening. Now this is really a crazy big gap up here. What you see, really big gap up here. Normal candlestick closing 23,842. Heikin Ashi 23,723. You see the difference of more than 100 points. Sometimes we got to look at the trading from a complete different point of view. It's just not about the theta decay game at all times. On this channel, I've made some videos in the past. You can have a look at the comments, have a look at the likes, the viewership of this. The reason is that we try to do things differently. And here what you see is that market is really given a gap. Approximately 300 points on Nifty is something which is really big. Now, VIP points, point number 1. Check 5 minutes prior to close and only hedge entries. What is a hedge entry? I've made a video in the past. Maybe towards the end of the video, I'm going to put in a link so you can watch it. How to play directional with hedge. When we hedge it, it's a combination of buying and selling. We want to take advantage of both the trades, buying and selling. I see people just focus on option selling and option selling only. Let me tell you, option selling contains really incredibly high amount of risk. You've seen the gap up just few days back. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Non-hedged is not really a right way to go about this because risk is really big. Trading is just not about taking risk. It is about controlled risk. Point number 2, bigger the difference, more the confidence. Like you saw, if the difference is of 100 points, that means Heikin Ashi and candlesticks are trying to tell you something. But are you listening? Are you paying attention? Are you taking the action steps to improve on your trading? I've given you one sample here. I want you to practice this after the video. I'm going to put a video link about a good hedge strategy. You can learn it. That's the exact reason why I tell you hit and trial way of trading one must avoid into the markets. It's about the systems, it's about adjustments, strike selection, and really focusing on the edge, not the edge where public focus on, different edge. People who know, they know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best. Take care, signing off. Bye-bye.